What's up, XRP holders, guys? There's one signal right now flashing in the charts of XRP, which has a 100% accuracy in predicting what the next major move is going to be for crypto, in this case for XRP. And in today's quick video, I want to show you what this signal is currently telling us, my expectations here for the immediate short term, and it is most likely not what you expect. So let's get straight into the content. All I ask before we get started or during the video, if you appreciate the content, is a big like on the video, of course. Can we get it back above 1,000 likes? That would be highly appreciated, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm here on the 12-hourly time frame for XRP, and what is interesting, let me first of all explain. We have a bullish divergence currently on the 12-hourly RSI, and this only happened 4 times in the past 3 years for XRP, and I'm going to show you what we should expect price-wise going forward. Now, a bullish RSI divergence is whenever the RSI oscillator forms a higher low, but price forms a lower low. Exactly what we see over here. Lower low in the price action, higher low on the 12-hourly RSI. And this basically signals that the sell pressure is getting weaker, and weaker, and that a trend reversal could be imminent or very close. And that is already what we are most likely starting to see right now. Now, let me show you what happened in the past 4 occasions that XRP had a bullish divergence on its 12-hourly RSI. This is not a signal that happens very often, so bear with me here in the video. Now, the last time was actually here at the end of February 2025. We had the lower low on the price, we had the higher low on the RSI, price went up by 52%. Let me also show you the other few occasions. There was also one here, actually in February 2024, lower low on the RSI indicator, lower low on the price, higher low on the RSI indicator, price went up by 53%. Bear with me guys, I need to show you 2 more, I believe. There was also one here, March 2023, RSI made a higher low, price made a lower low, price went up by 68%. And I think there was one more actually here in September 2022, RSI formed higher lows, price formed lower lows, price went up by 79%. So guys, whenever we do see a bullish RSI divergence on the 12-hourly time frame for XRP, that is actually a pretty rare signal which has a 100% accuracy or win rate, and that is currently what we're seeing. So what if price goes up with another, let's say 50% of this signal? Let me actually show you where that is going to take the XRP price. So let's say 52%, that is going to take XRP to approximately, and let me actually zoom out for you guys right here. So if we go up with, let's say 52% from this point onwards, that is going to take XRP's price to roughly $3.13 here in pretty much the short term. What is interesting, that is close to the previous highs that we made here in January, on the 18th of January. So very interesting. That could be resistance, because previously we also had resistance. So if XRP goes up by 50% from now, or 45% or so, we could test the previous highs from January. Very, very interesting signal. Another very interesting metric that I found today was actually XRP search interest on YouTube, which is currently at the lowest level from the past 12 months. Yes, you heard it right. I tweeted it over here. YouTube search interest for XRP hits 12-month low, retail attention near 0. I am a buyer here. And guys, I believe this is one of the best, if not the best time from the past 12 months to buy XRP at. You want to take profits whenever retail interest is very high, whenever a lot of people are searching on XRP on YouTube, and you want to lock in, you want to accumulate, or you want to have diamond hands whenever search interest for XRP is as low as it is right now. So pay attention to the signals. Also here we have another one. Follow the smart money. Whales aren't selling XRP now, so you shouldn't sell either. And you can see it over here. This chart represents the XRP whale to exchange flow. So basically, if whales are depositing XRP onto exchanges, on Binance in this case. And we can see that in December and January last year, a lot of deposits from whales onto the exchanges. And eventually that led to a massive sell-off or long-term correction for XRP. Right now, as you can see, the whales aren't selling their XRP. So I think you shouldn't sell either. But of course, not financial advice, guys. The last thing that I want to show you here is on XRP's liquidation heat map. We can still see that there is is the liquidity here around the $2 zone. So unless these positions are from insiders, I do think that there still is a chance that price could dip into the liquidity to liquidate some long positions before it reverses. But if these futures long positions are from insiders, then it is unlikely that XRP is going to tap into the liquidity around the $2 zone. So yeah, guys, pay attention to the signals. We have this confirmed bullish divergence on the 12-hourly RSI, which doesn't happen too often for XRP. And historically, this has always led to at least 50% upside, but maybe even a little bit more. Now, if you want to buy or trade XRP, if you want to copy my exact strategy with a grid bot, then sign up to Pionex. Use my link down below in the video description. New users can get 1000 USDT as a bonus reward upon registration, completely for free. Just follow the deposit requirements. Check it out, guys. You can copy my exact strategies here over on Pionex with this grid bot. So definitely check it out if you're interested. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram, which I reactivated. The official account name is down below in the video description. A lot of XRP content, Q&A sessions, and a lot of important stuff over there, so check it out. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, and I'll see you very soon in another XRP update. Bye bye.